In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your Pinterest a darker, more eye-friendly theme using a simple and effective tool. If you've ever found yourself browsing Pinterest late at night or in a dimly lit room, you know how harsh that bright white background can be on your eyes. The good news is there's a way to make it more comfortable, and I'm here to show you how. First things first, we'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by simply typing Chrome Web Store into your preferred search engine or directly into your browser's URL bar. The Chrome Web Store is the place where you can find a variety of extensions that enhance your browsing experience by adding new features and functionalities to your browser. Once the page loads, you'll be in the right place to start our transformation. Next, it's time to search for Dark Reader, which is the extension that will help alter the theme of your Pinterest profile. Look for the search bar, typically at the top left corner of the page, and type in Dark Reader. Press Enter, and you should see a list of search results. The Dark Reader extension is a popular choice for switching to a dark mode across various websites, not just Pinterest, which makes it quite handy. Click on the result that displays the Dark Reader extension once you find it. After selecting Dark Reader, you'll see an option that says Add to Chrome. This is the magic button that starts the process of installing the extension to your browser. Click on it, and Chrome will prompt you to confirm the installation. You might see a pop-up window that asks for your permission, explaining what the extension will have access to. It's generally safe and secure, but as a best practice, you should always double-check if you have any concerns. Go ahead and approve the installation, and the extension will automatically be added to your browser. Once Dark Reader is installed, the process is practically complete. The extension will usually activate itself, and you should notice an immediate change in the website's appearance once you navigate to Pinterest or even after refreshing the page. If for some reason it doesn't activate, you can manually enable it by clicking on the Dark Reader icon, usually found in the Extensions menu, in the top right corner of your browser. From there, you can turn the extension on or off and adjust the settings according to your preferences. And there you have it, you're done. Enjoy browsing your Pinterest boards with a sleek and soothing dark theme that's easy on the eyes. Feel free to explore the settings in Dark Reader if you want to tweak fonts, brightness, or contrast to further customize your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your Pinterest browsing much more pleasant.